This is our tube end trimming tool. It's the main part of tool. The cover can be taken out. The cutting rod can be flexible installed in trimming tool. A cutting rod and a cutting gun make up a complete cutting tool set. Different cutting rods are suitable for different pipe inner diameters, and each cutting rod is marked with the applicable size. A single cutting tool can use different cutting rods, allowing it to cut pipes of different diameters. Each cutting bar is equipped with a blade. This blade is a consumable part and needs to be replaced regularly. The size of the cutting blade varies depending on the pipe diameter.